Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, man, it was our mistake. I just trying to explain you before. It's the computer system that they charge you twice. We taking out the charge.
Okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience. It's just Pimentos Easy Pay took it twice. That's
Yeah, I noticed that.
I apologize for the inconvenience and just making you confused before, okay?
Making me confused?
I think.
Making me loco is more like it.
I'm so sorry.
Okay?
Apologize for the inconvenience. Have a wonderful day.
No, hold on. Un momento, por favor.
I cannot stay too long.
Oh, but see, you sent me a letter that said that now I can't pay except by debit card. No, I can't pay with my debit card over the phone or online or anything like that anymore. So is that gone back to I can do that again?
I emailed to our cashier.
Am I going to be credited any money back for my pain and suffering?
She is going to take the cash. The only customer she is taking care of now. I'll email to her to review the account again, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. You have a good day. Hasta luego.